Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force the restart on this device, we need to press and hold the upper button, keep holding it until the device turns off, basically for around 15 to 20 seconds. So let's press and hold the upper button, keep holding it, don't release it, just keep holding it. And once the screen goes black, that means that the watch turned off, and we can wait a couple of seconds, then we can turn it back on by pressing and holding the upper button again. And once you see the Garmin logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.